Akshat Gupta here, and today I'm sharing with you one thing. If you are a freelancer, service provider, digital marketing agency owner, or if you have ever purchased any product with commercial license, agency rights, or even white label rights, finding a new client or a potential buyer must be your number one priority, be it offline or online. But this can quickly turn into a headache for most business owners. Reason: the first impression always makes it or breaks it, whether it's your website or your email. It's really tough to get the trust of new clients. Your portfolio should speak for itself. They are always going to compare you with other freelancers. You will be compared with your competitors. And finally, the price discussion. They're always going to want to lower your price. The biggest issue of all of the above is because you are seen as a freelancer and not a brand that people can trust. The list goes on and on. Now, I'm pretty sure you're facing at least one of these problems. But after working for 1 year straight, we created a solution, and it has changed the game of freelancing. Imagine if you're being able to get your own marketplace like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelance, and keep 100% profits of all your services, and also upsell them more of your services. Sounds unbelievable? Introducing MarketJam, the world's first one-click Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer marketplace builder that will easily drive unlimited clients, leads, and high amount with no skills required. With MarketJam, you are only just 3 simple steps away from starting your own marketplace for selling or buying unlimited services and digital products. Step 1. Purchase MarketJam and log in the dashboard. Step 2. One-click setup for your Fiverr, Upwork, Freelance-like marketplace. Step 3. Add unlimited services and get unlimited earnings. With MarketJam, you'll get one-click freelance and local market builder, gig and bid-based marketplace, sell digital products as well, sell and buy unlimited service and products, your own logo and branding, create unlimited categories, create unlimited subcategories, multiple payment gateways integration, SMS and email integration, all on our blazing fast servers, cart functionality, calendar integration, your own admin dashboard, unlimited earnings, commercial license plus agency license included also. And you are not alone. 150 plus top marketers and more than 2,000 customers are successfully using it and loving it. Till now, 2,000 plus freelancer and agency owners finished 157,884 plus projects with MarketJam, and they've got over 104,739 plus positive reviews. It's huge! Also, your purchase is fully covered by our 30 days money-back guarantee. Try it out for 30 days. If you don't like what you see, get your money back. Also, it comes with a commercial license and agency license, which is still an incredibly great deal. But it will be recurring soon, so hurry up and pay one time or monthly later. Act fast and click the link below. See you inside.